Air fryers are like a magic wand for families, cooking hot meals in record time with less oil and mess. However, what if you have a large family or are hosting a great stag party at your cave? That's where the Typhur dome kicks in. The first thing you notice is that it's bigger than any other air fryer. The wide drawer, though not particularly deep, is a standout feature, and the top temperature of 450 degrees provides an extra edge over competitors. It's so cool that you can cook a 12-inch pizza in it, as well as toast, bake, grill, and even cook bacon. Open the app, find the recipe you like, and start cooking. By the way, the app not only offers remote control, but also notifies you when your culinary creations are ready. The air fryer's quiet operation, slightly louder than a household fridge, is ideal for shared living spaces. All that's great, no doubt. But here's the real deal. The air fryer will clean itself, reaching even challenging areas. Let's address one but, though. The Typhur dome comes with a premium price tag, yet I believe its innovative design, extra features, exceptional cooking performance, and numerous positive reviews justify the investment. I've never been a huge fan of jotting down notes or sketching on my iPad with the Apple Pencil, mainly because gliding over glass just didn't feel right. Not to mention the screen was always smudged, hardly inspiring me to write anything. That's why I stuck with paper. But then Paperlike reached out for a promotional spot on their screen protector, claiming it offers a paper-like feel. Let's put that claim to the test and see if it can truly replace my notebook. The package includes 2 protectors, which is quite handy. The installation process is thoughtfully designed by the manufacturer. First, clear any smudges from the screen, then apply the Paperlike perfectly. So let's give it a try. The secret is micro bead technology manufactured in Switzerland that mimics the texture of paper. These beads provide just enough resistance to the Apple Pencil, making writing and drawing feel much more natural. I'm honestly impressed. Even the sound of writing mimics that of paper. Now I won't have to constantly clean my screen of fingerprints, and I can finally use my Apple Pencil as intended. Just look at the before and after. The difference is undeniable. Plus, Paperlike also minimizes glare, giving the screen a matte finish that's much gentler on the eyes. How do you usually take notes? With a random pencil on a random sheet of paper that you're about to lose a few moments later? Guys from XNote have combined a good old way of writing on paper with the latest tech. The result is this notebook with a pen that's supported by AI. Well, it's mostly about the pen, and most features are available in the premium version. The built-in computer transfers the text onto your smartphone, laptop, or any other device, and even transforms handwritten notes, sketches, and doodles into a digital format with the help of ChatGPT. There's more. It's said to effortlessly interpret, expand, and solve mathematical equations, summarize meeting notes, translate text into multiple languages, add relevant information to your essays, and remind you of the tasks you have to do. Hey students, do you see this? The built-in battery's enough for 7 to 8 hours of actual usage. Know what? There's even a substantial storage capacity equivalent to 1,000 A4 pages. As for the privacy, the integration of ChatGPT's secure API ensures end-to-end encryption, assuring users that their data remains private. I'm very excited to see that product's detail. The set might seem pricey at $180, but come on, that pen'll do all the work for you. The shipping's about to start in February. Let's wait for the backers' reviews. Still prefer to use stickers for notes regardless of the tech around you and the constant challenge of deciphering your own handwriting? Well, let me introduce the Nemonic Gen 2, an inkless, thermal, and wireless printer. It works seamlessly with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices, both desktop and mobile, transforming your digital notes into crisp, ultra-sticky notes with a robust yet removable backing. To put it simply, now your stickers are sticky and easy to read, or to watch, because it's possible to print images and even graphics directly from the connected app. Integration with Microsoft Office apps, Slack, and Zapier adds a layer of convenience, with features like shadow removal for captured photos or diagrams, Nemonic scanner app compatibility, e-curl functionality, and auto-cut finishing. The printer promises a hassle-free and polished note printing experience. Sounds too good to be true? Well, this is the second generation of the product, and there are more than 300 positive reviews on Amazon. As for unhappy customers, some had issues with loading cartridges, some claim their device broke in a short period, and some note that the quality of the print could be better. Yet I still tend to think the product's good. When winter comes, make sure you've protected the most important parts of your body from the chill with the proper pants. These ones from KEMIMOTO brand are water and windproof. But it's all about 6 carbon fiber heating elements that do all the job. The intelligent temperature control system allows customization with 3 levels, targeting crucial areas. See that so-called button? What you need to do is make sure that the power bank is fully charged. Fleece lining, waterproof zippers, and abrasion-resistant material enhance comfort, keeping you warm and dry. You did your best and the pants are dirty now? Keep calm and wash them in the washing machine. There are not so many reviews on Amazon, yet there are just a couple of negative reviews. That makes me think the pants aren't the best, but of acceptable quality.